Hi everybody, it's Frank G here from Jantek Windows, and today we're going to be speaking about high performance windows. This is the 2-minute window. What are the benefits of high performance windows? Windows and patio doors typically comprise about 10 to 25% of the exterior wall area of your home. Windows in heating-dominated climates account for up to 25% of the typical building or home's heating load. And in cooling-dominated climates, like in the American Southwest, windows can account for up to 50% of the cooling load. The cutting-edge technologies that are used in manufacturing, they include things like improved frame materials or low-emissivity and solar control coatings on the glazing or the glass, conductance, low conductance through gas fills that's typically argon or krypton, improved thermal breaks in the windows, and some metal window manufacturers will use a thermal break, warm edge spacers, that's the material that's separating the panes of glass in your glass unit, double pane or triple pane, separated by this material called a spacer. Those are the highest performing spacers on the market. And there's also, those spacers need to be what we call edge sealed so that it creates a vacuum seal between the panes of glass. So those technologies can be used independently or in combination. So the benefits of high performance windows are improved comfort. That is, interior warmer is going to be warmer in the winter by reducing radiant heat exchange. Quite a bit of noise reduction, especially if you utilize triple pane glass. The quality in the materials means a lot to longevity of the product itself in the field. There's improved indoor air quality from the air tightness ratings that are part of the National Fenestration Rating Council testing for Energy Star on these high performance windows. Lower utility bills are going to come about through the use of high performance windows because they have better insulation values. There's reduced obsolescence because nowadays energy efficiency is so important, and it's a standard practice in the building industry. So by upgrading windows to high performance windows, you're going to put that value into your home for a resale. There's fewer condensation problems with high performance windows. Another very important thing is that they reduce wear on home furnishings. Because of the modern low-E coatings, those coatings can block up to about 98%, we don't say 100, but 98% of the ultraviolet radiation emitted by the sun. And that radiation can cause curtains and window treatments, carpeting, furniture, photographs, anything to fade and wear faster. So with that, we'll wrap it up. Hopefully we've been able to answer some of your questions about high performance windows and the difference they make. And with that, I'll close out by saying I'm Frank G from Jantek Windows. And remember, save energy, capture comfort.